This video is on the volume of prisms. The first prism that we have is a triangular prism, which means our bases are going to be triangles. When we are finding the volume of a prism, we're going to do the area of the base times the height. So what we're looking at here is our base shape is a triangle, so we're going to be using the 1/2 base times height formula for the triangle times the height of the prism. So it's a little bit different. So this is the height of the triangle, that's the height of the prism. So let's go ahead and find the base of the triangle, which is 1/2 the base. If you look here in this triangle, you kind of translate this here. That says it's 9 with a height of 6. Remember, it's got to make the right angle. So we've got 1/2 times the base of 9 times the height of 6. Now that's going to be the area of the base, but now how far is it from this triangle to this triangle up here? Well, if you look, they're telling us it's 10 kilometers. So we're going to now multiply this all together. So we have 1/2 times 9 times 6 times 10, and all of that gives us a volume of about 270 kilometers cubed. Now, number 2 says, what are the effects on a cube that has an edge length of 2 if the edge is tripled? Well, the first thing we're going to do is start with our cube with the edge length of 2. The volume for a cube would be the length, which is 2, times the width, which is 2, times the height, which is 2, which would be 8, and it would be feet cubed. Now, it wants us to triple this. So now we've got a cube here. If we triple that, 2 times 3 would be 6. So now, if we're finding the volume, we've got the length, which is 6, times the width, which is 6, times the height, which is 6, which gives us 216 feet cubed. Now, when you're looking at effect size, now what you want to do is kind of create a ratio. It's an 8 to 216 foot difference here, or ratio. And so if we divide 8 out of here, that's a 1. If we do 216 divided by 8, we get 27. So then the volume is 27 times greater.